Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both sides, your Cash App and your Nintendo Switch. Activate and verify your Cash Card, set a secure PIN, and load enough funds. Make sure your Switch user is tied to an eShop account whose region matches the store you'll buy from. Once done, connect the Switch to Wi-Fi and keep your phone or computer handy for the purchase. This alignment prevents region and payment mismatches when you move to the buying step. You now buy a Nintendo eShop code using your Cash Card like any Visa debit. Open a trusted digital code retailer on your phone or PC, choose the exact region and amount for your Switch account, and enter your Cash Card details, billing address, and CVV. Confirm the payment and wait for the digital code delivery, usually instant. Make sure to save the code and any receipt. If the site asks for extra verification, complete it using your Cash App settings to prevent declines. Finish by redeeming the code on your Nintendo Switch. Open the eShop, select Redeem Code, carefully type the code and confirm. Your balance will update and you can make purchases. If the code is rejected, first check that your eShop region matches the code region and that you entered characters exactly, then update the console and retry. If payment was declined earlier, check your Cash App transaction activity and contact Cash App support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.